Let's talk about observational data. Hi, I'm Dr. Brittany Todd, and I am a pharmacist, and I am here to bring you informed consent. Observational data is often what we need when something has already been approved and is being used on the market. We no longer have randomized controlled trials. We look at observational data. So a group who got something versus a group who didn't have something, and we observe them and see the differences. Now, here's the hypocrisy when it comes to vaccinations. Observational data has been used for years to determine efficacy of a certain vaccine. Let's go with the flu shot this year, the 2025 flu shot. It does cover the strain H3N2, but it does not cover the specific subtype of that strain. So data, observational data, have shown a 30 to 40% efficacy rate at reducing hospitalizations from that flu shot, even though it doesn't match the same strain. Here's where the hypocrisy comes in. That is clearly observational data. And when you use observational data to determine a correlation between a therapy such as a vaccination and some side effect or adverse event from said vaccine, people will claim that observational data is not causation, it is correlation. Yet, when it comes to efficacy of the vaccine, they will claim that that is causation. See, we gave a vaccine and it reduced the flu. But when it comes to side effects, see, we gave a vaccine and it caused this problem. We don't want to acknowledge it. That's the hypocrisy of observational data. Sometimes that's all we have to go off of. Would we like randomized controlled trials to look at efficacy of every single year's flu shot? That'd be nice, but we don't have time for that. Would we like randomized controlled trials for vaccines and safety? That would be nice, but they didn't do that. Most vaccines were approved off of false placebo or no placebo at all. So it's okay to use observational data when it comes to efficacy because it shows benefit, but it's never okay to use observational data for risk because that's inconvenient.